Pod.
It has only been weeks since you were suddenly taken from us, but time has completely lost its meaning. The days have blended together into one long, heavy shadow, and the silence you left behind is defining. The shock of your sudden departure still doesn't feel real. Every single hour, I find myself instinctively reaching for my phone, waiting for your name to flash across the screen, waiting to hear your voice call out my name just to tease me. To everyone standing here, he was brilliant, incredible soul, but to me, he was my closest pal, my brother, and my absolute male bestie. We shared a bond that defined everything, a pure, unshaken friendship built on total trust and enlasted laughter. If you knew him well, you would know he had an effortless, quiet confidence and rarely warmth of love in his eyes, genuinely that made everyone feel safe. We were supposed to tackle the world together. We had so many plans laid out, milestones to reach, and final exams to conquer. Seeing his seat empty on the day of exam was cruel, heartbreaking, reminder of how deeply unfair it feels that he is no longer here to stand behind me. If there is one thing that everyone knew him together will remember, is the way he used to tease reluctantly. He had that specific, mischievous way of calling my name whenever he wanted to get under my skin or to make me smile. Whenever I was being overdramatic, stressed out, or just walking into the room, he would draw out my name in a playful and lingering voice, Flourish. He knew exactly how to pronounce it, to get a reaction out of me. It was his ultimate weapon to break my serious mood. Every time he said it, it carried its underlying affection that reminded me no matter how curious life goes, I was his closest confidant and his bestie. He would call out, Flourish, just to see me roll my eyes, only for us to burst into laughter. That word was out inside joke, a code for friendship that was safe and completely real. Now, the silence where that voice was used is what hurt the most. What I wouldn't give to hear him out call just one more time, to see that knowing that gothy smirky off his face. What blew me away the most was that even in his busiest, most curious and confused moments, his beautiful smile always stood post. No matter what internal battle he was fighting or stressed his day, the moment he looked at you, he would wear that signature smile, just to reassure me that everything was fine. He would never let his own stress bleed. Now that you are gone, Kels, as I always call him, the emptiness I feel goes so incredibly deep. It is a hollow ache in my chest because absolutely no one else gets my time the way you did. No one understood my busy schedules of my life. It hits me hard when I open my phone, see my socials completely empty in a day. There is no more morning streaks from you. No spontaneous texts popping up on the street. And no more video calls where we could laugh and talk about everything or nothing for hours. Oh, Kels. Waking up to the phone that no longer carries your energy is a nightmare. I have lost a gem, a rare, irreplaceable diamond of human. Whenever the stress of school or family became too much to bear, he was always the first to step in. He never judged the anxiety. I remember so many moments when I felt completely frozen for panicking. Listening patiently and then say exactly what I need to hear. Calm down. The weight of your last call. But out of everything we shared, what completely breaks me, what shatters my heart into million unfixable pieces, is the memory of the day you left us. Even on the day of your demise, his day of the earth, he did exactly what he always do. I was the last person he reached out before dying. Discovering that I was the very last person he called, that my voice was among the last sounds he heard, and that our conversation was the final chapter of his life, completely tears me apart. It is weight that presses down to my heart every single morning. I miss you terribly. The world feels profoundly empty. Thank you for being my most protective friend. Thank you for carrying my bag